Hi everyone. I just had to share. I'm on a job site I've been working on the last 3 days, but it's really a cool place. Can you see? Oh, look at this blue skies here. Oh, this house was built in 1836. And for you history buffs, I know that's before the Civil War. Amazing. And when you look down the side of the house, it's nice and square and straight. But this, we are way out here. I literally drove through Timbuktu to get here. It's the only house on a 5.5 mile unpaved. I was gonna say gravel, but it was a lot of mud. Let me turn off a fan here. Just look at this. Every room used to have the fireplaces. I mean, I just can't imagine the history if these walls could talk, or who knows what that is. But so anyway, we have a new homeowner who's moving from the Chicago area, and they're coming out here for a job and found this glorious old place and wondered what they could do with the floors. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here as Mr. Sandless. I don't know if we can see the angle here. These floors had all kinds of cupping, which is basically where the sides start to curl up. So they wouldn't even be able to sand. There's just not enough wood here. And I mean, you can just see the history. What all did they have going on here at one time? All these old original logs and probably trees that were locally sourced all those years ago. Again, everything has room has a fireplace. A couple of them have been kind of bricked off. So anyway, this house, the floors kind of looked like a quilt. They painted several of the floors in all different kind of blues and grays. And she wanted them all to be the same color. Look at that again with this kind of chiseled things out back in the day. Another fireplace. So we decided the most efficient, if we're going to keep the floors instead of trying to replace everything, and kind of keep some of the heritage of it and personality, that we would just paint over the floors. So, and that's what we did. Oh, you can see kind of the cupping. And it did a lot of prep. Here's some of what the floors, I don't know, I think they are going to change some of the kitchen flooring. Oh, I love that old stove. Don't know if it works. Kind of cool. I love these old sinks. And here was a stairwell to the servants' quarters. You can see it just, I don't know how many years, if these are all original up to the 1830s. That is just amazing. Up over the outdoor kitchen. So anyway, we decided it was best, the most cost effective, and probably even the best to keep the integrity of the house was just to paint over with a beautiful color that she picked out here. And it's it's consistent all the way out. I didn't take you upstairs. Same thing, 2 bedrooms up there, fireplaces. I am getting just put some urethane on these steps, wanted to keep them. And it's going to be kind of a patina feel, which will be really cool. And again, fits the air of this house. But just something here. So if your floors can't be done and we want to try something else, we can paint them. And we picked a good quality enamel, and you can pretty much paint it whatever. That's weird seeing yourself. You can paint it pretty much any color you want. So if you're looking to do something, let me know at Mr. Sandless. That's 740-405-1395, 405-1395, or any kind of flooring. Carpets, we do a lot of tile and grout. You can call me on my EnviroPURE Cleaning number, 740 936-7738. And we can, I'll probably try to stick some pictures I had from before. And just, she did the right thing. She picked a nice color, and it looks really nice in person. Kind of has a pinkish cast here, looks like on the phone, but very, very nice. So you guys have a great day. If you need anything with your floors or anything, duct cleaning, you know who to call. Have a great day.